Welcome to a deep dive into, well, a topic that's really changing everything: artificial intelligence. We're digging into insights from AI, past, present, and future horizons, a source that maps out AI's pretty incredible journey.
Exactly. And our mission today is basically to pull out the really critical stuff,
Mhm.
helping you understand how AI went from this, background idea to being so central and what the future might actually look like.
Okay, let's unpack this then. So maybe start by taking us back, say, 10 years, 2015. AI was a buzzword, definitely, but it felt like it was mostly humming away quietly behind the scenes, not everywhere like today.
That's spot on. Yeah. Back then you had things like Siri, Google Assistant. They felt advanced, sure, but honestly,
Yeah.
often pretty clumsy. And that clumsiness, it actually pointed to the limits of what we called rule-based AI back then. Systems just following pre-programmed instructions.
Right, they couldn't really learn or adapt much on their own.
Not really, no. They were smart for specific, narrow tasks,
Yeah.
but didn't learn in the way we mean now. It was right around then that deep learning, this totally different approach, where AI learns from huge amounts of data, not fixed rules, was just, well, starting to explode.
And that led to things like AlphaGo.
Exactly. 2016, AlphaGo beats a world champion in Go. That wasn't just a game win. It showed AI could tackle really complex, intuitive stuff, things we thought were uniquely human. But even then, most people, they pretty much thought AI was just for the big tech giants, you know, not for your everyday life.
Yeah, I remember that feeling. It was this weird mix, wasn't it? Both fear and a lot of excitement, these promises of AI helping doctors, saving time, even like predicting the weather better. Huge potential, but still felt kind of distant.
Okay, so let's jump forward today, 2025.
Mm.
The change is, well, it's massive.
Mhm.
How do you see that shift? It really feels like it went from that background hum to this unavoidable presence. Oh, completely. And it's not just what AI does, but how it's made these complex things accessible. Today, AI isn't just processing information, it's creating it. We're deep in the era of generative AI.
Like the GPT models.
Exactly, like advanced GPT models that don't just copy text. They can simulate reasoning, create original writing, art. It's kind of staggering. We're seeing AI video generators pop up, self-driving cars getting tested way more in actual traffic.
Still feels a bit scary, that one.
It does, yeah.
Yeah.
But also AI tutors making education personal, coding assistants that genuinely speed things up for developers. AI has definitely moved from the background right into the spotlight. It's reshaping whole industries, how we interact daily.
And naturally, with that huge shift, with AI being so front and center, we're seeing new problems, new tensions arising. I mean, serious worries about jobs disappearing, the whole deepfake issue, those fake videos and images spreading misinformation.
Right, which are getting incredibly convincing.
Uh-huh. And then there are the complex ethical questions, data privacy risks. These aren't just like future worries anymore. They're right here, right now, forcing us to think about laws, about our relationship with tech.
So if we connect those dots,
Mm-hmm.
think about the leaf just in the last 10 years.
Hmm.
What could 2035 look like? The source suggests things could get even more, well, profound.
It's wild to think about. Yeah, the source dives into stuff that sounds straight out of sci-fi. Imagine AI personal assistants that know your habits maybe better than you do, or
Mhm.
digital clones speaking in your voice, acting like you.
Well,
It even talks about autonomous cities, traffic, lights, energy, all run by AI, and creativity. Fully AI written movies, video games, even emotional AI that senses your mood and like responds to it.
but that future, it also comes with these starkly contrasting views, as the source points out. You got some people thinking humans might sort of merge with machines, as symbiotic thing.
Right.
And others, warning, we could lose control altogether. Big questions about who's really in charge.
Hmm.
And jobs. Undeniably, many will change or disappear. But, and this is important, new ones will top up too. It's dynamic, not just loss.
So where does that leave us? What's the takeaway? I guess the real truth, like our source says, is that the future isn't just about what AI can do. It's about how we decide to use it, how we manage its development, right?
Absolutely, it puts the responsibilities squarely on us.
Which raises that huge question. How do we make sure this incredibly powerful tool actually serves humanity's best interests as it gets even smarter? So this deep dive shows AI as this simmering idea 10 years back, a really powerful tool today. And looking ahead to 2035, maybe it becomes a kind of mirror, reflecting us, amplifying us, or maybe reflecting the world we actively choose to create. What do you think the world will look like in 2035?